Hello. Hello.
Hello everyone. Today is 12th day of my English video challenge. I will write, or I write right now. I am riding on the bicycle. So see you later. This is amazing. Enjoy our trip. Vloggers. He makes video also. He makes shorts or reels for Instagram. It's our trip. It's our ride. He makes videos, and be careful. We use the behind the road in trottoir. We are some walker. It's a bigger trottoir, and we riding and speaking to our conversation. When the road is under, we are walking. We go to our legs. Please repeat this. Repeat. He doesn't last time. He make exercise. Photosession. He makes pictures and videos. Go away. We make stop on the lake and try to swim in. And at last, what will you do? Here is a small bridge.
В одежде. Идем.
Thank you. It's so beautiful. The water is so dirty, but anyway, it's so cute. It's so cool and beautiful. Nature is beautiful. Nature is always beautiful. And the end our trip. My friends is so weak, wet, and we go to the home and take a shower, change clothes, and enjoy our dinner, enjoy our meal. See you tomorrow. Thank you for listening our video. Bye bye.